In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert Google Forms to Docs and PDF. To begin, open Google Forms and start a new form. Creating a fresh form is the easiest way to follow along, and it helps you make sure your questions and settings are exactly how you want them before you share anything. Once the form opens, you will see a first question box with the placeholder text that says Untitled Question. Click directly on that text and type your question. Keep your wording clear and specific, because this is what people will read when they respond. If your question needs more context, you can also add a short description in the form. But for now, focus on getting the question itself written correctly. Next, look to the right side of the question where the question type menu appears. It often starts as multiple choice by default. Click the multiple choice dropdown and select the type you need. For example, you might choose a short answer for open text responses, or checkboxes if you want people to select more than one option. Choosing the right type here is important, because it controls how answers are collected. Now it is time to add answer choices. If your selected question type uses options, click where it says Option 1 and type your first answer choice. After that, if you need additional choices, click Add Option and continue entering the rest. As you add options, try to keep the choices consistent in style and length, so the form looks clean and is easier to complete. If you want to make sure people cannot submit the form without answering this question, turn on the required toggle at the bottom right of the question card. This is especially helpful for key questions you must collect, like confirmations, selections, or essential details. When your form is ready to share, go to the top right and click Publish. This prepares the form for distribution. Then in the sharing options, click the link icon, which is the middle tab. You will see a shareable link for your form. Click Copy to copy the link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need, such as a message, document, or website. And that covers everything you need to know.